back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with my third video in my 5-part series, which is where I post one video every single day for 5 days. If you guys haven't seen the other videos, I'll have them linked down below in a playlist. They're all back to school related, and I also have a giveaway, so if you guys want to enter, you should. The stuff's real cute. But today's video is DIY backpacks. I thought I'd do some DIYs on like cute, cheap, plain backpacks. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to hit the post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on tomorrow's video and the one after that. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what one of your back to school essentials is. My number one school essential is coffee. Let's get into the video. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. Okay, so kicking off the DIY video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the cutest, coolest DIY backpack literally ever. So obviously you guys could do this DIY over the entire backpack, but I just decided to do it on the front pocket. Pro tip though, if you guys are doing it on your front pocket, I recommend stuffing the pocket with like tissues or a face washer just so that like the fabric is super smooth before you guys start. The DIY itself though is super easy. So I just went in with some dimensional fabric paint and I just painted in like some polka dots and triangles. And when I say painted, I basically mean draw because this stuff just comes out like a pen. And you know, obviously you guys could switch up the color of your paint or switch up your design. At first I thought I was gonna do like flowers on my backpack and then last minute change my design to this, which I think turned out super cute. P.S. I low-key feel like Vans should hire me to design their backpacks because this turned out so cute. But anyways, once you guys are done, you just want to wait for it to dry, and I definitely recommend reading the instructions on your fabric paint because they're all different. Some make you wait like up to 24 hours. I'm so shy. You always make me blush so hard. Okay, so a couple months ago I made a DIY sweater and it turned out so freaking cute and it was really easy and I used bleach, so I thought I'd go for DIYs with bleach round 2. So first things first, if you guys want to make this DIY backpack, you just want to take yourself a denim backpack. I think I got this one from Target, I want to say. I also want to say that it was like $10, and I'm just taking like a dripper bottle full of bleach. I'm very good at this now after my DIY sweater, and I'm just randomly putting splotches of bleach all over my backpack. I kind of feel like this would be a really cool DIY to do with like your friends because all your backpacks would turn out pretty unique but like kind of matching, if that makes sense, like the bleach DIY backpack squad. Anyway, I also went in with a spray bottle just to add in a little bit more bleach action situation. Anyways, enjoy this time lapse of my bleach developing. I want to say that like 50% of my DIYs are like inspired by things that I just don't want to spend money on. Like I saw it in store, it was too expensive, so I left and I ran home and I was like, I'm gonna DIY it instead. So I saw a backpack that had like a palm leaf pocket and I was like, I'm gonna just buy some palm fabric and DIY this. So kicking it off, you guys want to start with a piece of fabric that's just like slightly bigger than the front pocket of your backpack. So taking my fabric, I gave it about an extra inch of fabric compared to the size of my pocket, and I basically just went in and folded it to create a fake seam. And you basically just want the visible edge to be a fold in the fabric as opposed to the raw edge. So once you guys have folded the fabric in under itself, you guys can secure it on with some hot glue. So I just did this for both sides and the bottom of the fabric, and I was kind of left with like these flappy pieces of fabric on the corners, so you guys can kind of just like fold them in on themselves as if you were wrapping like a gift, and those pieces can just be secured down with some glue as well. And because the top piece of the fabric was underneath the zipper flap, I didn't bother to make it cute, so I just glued that straight on, and that's pretty much it. You always make me blush so hard. My parents always stay on guard. I drop my cool when you're around. You are the hottest boy in town. I'm backpacks. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I want to say my favorite was the black one. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram account and follow me so you guys can be entered into my back to school giveaway. My handle is @SarahJaneBeth. If you guys haven't already, hit the post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on tomorrow's video and the one after that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!